Hey friends, if you wish to fix System32LogiLDA missing error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter. Scroll down and go to this link, the learn.microsoft.com one. Scroll down, click on the x64 version. Since most of us have 64-bit computers, and click on open. Now if you have a 32-bit computer, instead select x86, but that is a very rare case. I agree to it. Install, just make sure that you run the installer, or maybe you'll get a chance to repair it. In that case, repair it. Okay, once this is done, you can let it run in the background. The problem will be fixed. But if that does not help, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.